Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the newest and most useful features in Google Sheets, the extensions menu. If you've ever looked for ways to supercharge your spreadsheets, add powerful tools, or even automate some of your work, this menu is your new best friend. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tap into this menu, add all sorts of helpful extras, and customize Google Sheets to work even harder for you. So let's dive right in. First up, let's locate the extensions menu. When you're looking at your Google Sheets document, glance up towards the top of the screen, where you see the main toolbar right alongside familiar options like File, Edit, and View. You'll see Extensions. Give that a click. Think of this as opening a toolbox that's jam-packed with gadgets that can extend what your spreadsheet can do. One of the most popular things you can do here is add extra applications to Google Sheets, turning it from a basic spreadsheet into an incredibly capable data powerhouse. To do that, hover over Add-ons in the Extensions menu and then select Get Add-ons. This will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. It's almost like visiting an app store, but just for Google Sheets. Here you'll find applications that can help you do everything from creating complex charts, sending emails in bulk, connecting to other software, and more. Let's say you need a tool for project management within your spreadsheet. Just use the search bar at the top of the marketplace, type in what you're looking for, like project management, and browse through the results. When you find an add-on that fits your needs, just click on it and you'll usually see a blue Install button. Click that and follow the prompts to give it the permissions it needs. In just a few moments, that extra application will be ready to use right inside your sheets. No coding, no hassle. But the extensions menu isn't just about add-ons. Take a moment to look further down and you'll spot options like macros, app script, app sheet, and even something called Locker Studio. Let's break these down quickly so you're not left wondering what each one does. Macros let you record a series of actions and play them back later, almost like setting up a little robot to do repetitive tasks for you. For example, if you always format your sheets the same way, you can record that entire process once and then replay it with a single click. No more tedious repetition. Then there's App Script. This is a way to really get under the hood and automate or customize your spreadsheet using code if you're comfortable with scripting. Even if you're not a coder, it's great to know this option is here for advanced workflows or automations you might want to explore later. AppSheet is another powerful tool right inside the extensions menu. With this, you can turn your spreadsheet into a full-on mobile or web app. It's a brilliant way to collect data or create simple tools for your team, all without writing a single line of code. And finally, there's Locker Studio. This is a lesser-known gem that lets you manage your add-ons, access, and keep things neat and secure, especially handy if you're dealing with sensitive data or sharing your spreadsheet with others. As you can see, the extensions menu opens up a huge range of possibilities. Whether you're looking to save time, automate tasks, or unlock extra features, it's all right at your fingertips. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first, just start by exploring one or two add-ons, and as you get more comfortable, you can branch out into things like macros or AppSheet. Alright, that's our walkthrough of the new extensions menu in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions in the comments if you get stuck or want recommendations for add-ons. And don't forget to subscribe, we've got plenty more Google Sheets tips and tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.